Every day, millions of people place their lives in the hands of invisible calculations and steel cables. These monuments to human engineering carry unimaginable loads across impossible spans, defying gravity through mathematics and steel. But when bridges fail, size determines everything, from local inconvenience to regional catastrophe.
Today we compare two failures: a small bridge collapse that disrupts a neighborhood, and a major suspension bridge failure that reshapes an entire region. A small concrete beam bridge, 200 feet long, carrying local traffic across a peaceful river. But decades of weather, traffic loads, and deferred maintenance have pushed this bridge beyond its design limits. On a busy Tuesday morning, 40 years of accumulated stress reaches the breaking point. The center span fails catastrophically, sending tons of concrete and steel crashing into the river below. Quick-thinking drivers and good luck prevent mass casualties.
The collapse disrupts 15,000 daily commuters, forcing 30-minute detours around the river crossing.
Local businesses suffer, mail delivery is delayed, but the town adapts and survives.
Cleanup takes weeks, replacement takes 2 years. Costs reach, but this is manageable, unlike what happens when a major suspension bridge.
A major suspension bridge, 4,000 feet of engineering triumph, carrying 200,000 vehicles daily across impossible spans.
Main cables contain 27,000 miles of steel wire. Towers rise 700 feet above water. Foundations reach bedrock 200 feet below.
When a main cable fails, there's no backup plane. 100,000 tons of steel and concrete begin falling toward the water.
The center span drops away in sections, carrying hundreds of vehicles and passengers into the water below.
Debris spans miles of waterway. Rescue operations overwhelmed by the scale of destruction.
What took decades to build is destroyed in minutes.
Regional transportation collapses, alternate routes overwhelmed, commerce stops, an entire metropolitan economy shudders.
Recovery takes decades, costs reach $10 billion, and the regional economy is permanently altered. Local disruption versus resiliency. From thousands affected to millions impacted, bridge scale determines economic destiny.
Modern engineering and regular inspection prevent these disasters. What other infrastructure should we compare?